Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Honda. I hope you're all okay. And today I'm going to quickly video walk around of this 2019 Civic 1.6 litre diesel. Now of course, walking around the car, this is the SE variant, so you do get LED daytime running lights, front parking sensors, you get these brilliant 16-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, which of course I will go into each and every one, just so you can get a good idea of the design pattern and the condition. Around to the rear now, we've also got rear parking sensors as well. Inside the tailgate we have plenty of room inside of here, including 60/40 split folding rear seats, which will fold flat with this level just here. You then also get this brilliant pull out privacy shelf as well. Then coming back out and around, showing you the rear alloy just here. Into the back now, you've got full cloth black interior with ISOFIX mounting points at the bottom. You've got full electric windows all round. In the front, you've then also got your 6-speed manual gearbox. Your climate settings are just below, as you can see just there. You've then also got your stereo in the middle, which comes with Bluetooth, USB. On the radio you get FM, DAB, low wave and medium wave, and you do also get Bluetooth hands-free. Then over to the steering wheel, you got your volume, onboard computer controls, Bluetooth hands-free. The arrows here work between the infotainment screen and the onboard computer. Over to the right, you've also got your lane keep assist, distance control, speed limiter and cruise control. And as you can see, this car has done 45,617 miles. Coming back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Civic SE, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you with a personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.